Journal can help you keep all your thoughts organized. Journaling can help us accept rather than judge our mental experiences. If you are curious about journaling and how it can improve your life, in this video I am going to share some benefits of journaling that may inspire you. Number 1. Helps to achieve goals. Journaling includes writing out your dreams and ambitions. If you want to make something in your life or something you want to accomplish, a journal can be a good way to do that. It will help you to get success. Number 2. Encourages self-confidence. Seeing your progress can also give you a serious confidence boost. You can feel proud looking back at the challenges you faced and seeing how far you have come. Number 3. Boosts memory. When you write things by hand, your brain increases working memory capacity. On the other hand, journaling helps you to focus on a particular idea or thought. Because of the nature of memory and the brain, you are more likely to remember the things you focus on. Number 4. Reduces stress and anxiety. Writing regularly and emptying your mind will help you to relieve some stress. You will be in a better realization of your thoughts and the position you have in life. Number 5. Strengthens self-discipline. Self-discipline is all about planning. People who write journals are punctual and organized. While they are trying to be regular at journaling, they become much more self-disciplined. Number 6. Reflects on thoughts. The time you spend with journaling is the time you spend with your thoughts. While you are organizing your thoughts, you are open to discover new sides of yourself and explore who you are. Number 7. Helps to overcome emotional sensitivity. Do journal about everything you are feeling. By daily journaling, you can explore the map of your actions and reactions, and you will have a better understanding of your sensitivities and how to manage them. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.